In today's video, I'll show you how to import a JSON file into N8N, all in just a few minutes. Let's streamline your workflow process together. First, open your preferred browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other, and go to the official N8N website. Make sure your login credentials are ready if you aren't already logged in. Next, navigate to the workflow editor, the area where you can visually organize how different parts of your workflow communicate. Open an existing project or start a new one. This will be the destination for your JSON file. At the top of the editor, click the 3 more options icon. From the drop-down menu, select Import from File. This tells N8N that you're ready to bring in new instructions from your JSON file. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the file from your local directory. Select your JSON file, making sure it follows N8N's formatting guidelines. Once selected, N8N will integrate the file into your workflow, allowing you to enhance automation and data handling capabilities instantly. And that's it. In just a few minutes, your JSON file is now part of your N8N workflow, ready to automate tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips and tutorials.